Huamao Handicraft Article Company, Limited. Of Taizhou Zhejiang is a factory over 20 years. It covers over 300,003 square meters area. And more than 300 workers. The main products are cat scratching trees, pet beds and foldable caves. It owns a big showroom at 15,003 square meters area. Huamao is already a well-known brand all over the world. Its products can be available on website like Alibaba, made-in-china.com and many pet fairs. Factory is qualified by BSCI, ISO 9001, FSC. Zhejiang made quality and global Resulchade standard. For the production, quality first is an essential concept here in Huamao. We're checking under a strict quality control system both on the production line but also on the final packing. Machines are available here like computer engraving machines, rope wrapping machines, automatic fabric cutting machines, sewing machines, automatic screw checking machines, cardboard post forming machines and so on. To get you a right quality is our main concern and relentless pursuit. Now a short show of our products. Thank you for your time with us and we're looking forward to be one of your powerful partner in the near future. Scan for 360 degrees virtual tour of Huamao factory.